Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Sadiq Jamia Abu Muhammad. So this is the third class in our Arabic Calligraphy Made Easy class, and we've taught many things about, ranging from finding the meaning of your name, and I've already done a video on that, and also moving to designing your name on the calligraphy app, that is designing your Islamic or your Arabic name on the calligraphy app, and also moving to Canva to design our names, to add some other things, some other features to our names to beautify it more, in which from there, that's when we got hold of this, that's when we arrive at this name. So that's when we arrive at this name. Okay, in today's class, I'm going to teach you how to brand your calligraphy design, how to brand your design. So any design you want to brand, so with this video, you would be able to brand that type of design. Okay, so let's get started. I'm on my data. So we're going to use a site. And it's best that you use a good and functional app for that, a functional browser for that. Let me just choose a new tab. So, and the name of the website will be what? The Smart Mockups. So SMART, then MOCKUPS. So smartmockups.com, com. So like this. So that's the website. I'll put a link in the description box and also send to the group also, so for easy access. So this is the website. You can sign in if you want to sign in. You can sign in, okay, but I'm not signing because of time. You see here, you can sign in here. So, and this is all about the website. So you can just import your design and you get a mock-up for your design. And what's the meaning of mock-up? Many people do ask this question. Mock-up is when you place your design. You've already designed that thing. So when you place that your design on maybe a wall, or maybe a cup like this, or a t-shirt, or on a frame, on your mobile phone, on a laptop like that. So that is what is called what? Mock-up. So let's get started. So we want to, so these are the categories we have. Can you see this? So as I'm swiping, just swipe left, so you see the categories that we have. So depending on the type of mock-up or branding that you want to give your design, but with this I want to, because of these, so these are design, so I think like using a wall or so, home and living, will be better. But you can use any other thing, your technology, all about your thing. So let's use order. So order. So you can use mugs, any other thing. So just use what you like. And that's where some things comes in. That is, you know the size of this thing in order for you to fit in well. So these are some things, some designs. But you see, pro means that you need to register with them and you have a premium account before you can actually use such a design. Let me just use this. Those are not the size of my design, but let me just use for practicing sake. So just wait for it to load. So this is it. Then you can, so this is it like this, okay. Then you click on upload form. And also, if you have a URL, maybe you already designed your Canva app, you want to copy your Canva design URL, then you can copy it here. So you can just copy it here, but here, so just click on your upload form. From where is it, your Canva, or you already have the image, the design on your phone? So I want to import mine from my phone, then my files. Then you go to your gallery to pick the design. I can just go to my photos under my gallery, and it should be under download. That's where it is. Then you pick what you want to pick. So this is it. But sometimes you just have to, you sometimes just do anyhow, but you just try to redo it back, download, then you click on it, and it should just upload like that. But sometimes let's just close this and re-upload. Let's come to upload back. So you come to your, you can go to your file gallery, your download, then here just click on the design. None. I want none. Is it the original or what? So I want none so that I can be able to just adjust myself. So none. So this is none. This is how it is. And you click on this pencil like icon, okay? So click on it for you to adjust a little bit more. If you want to maybe increase the size like that, so you can do that also. So, and that's why you need to know the size of your design, because all these spaces, this space, you see. So if I did this this design in a square manner, then it will fit in well. I hope you understand. So that's why I was talking about, just cancel. That's why I was talking about size. And this is not too bad also. Having this design also is not too bad. So you can just do like this, and here is where you can look at your design before you start designing, and you want to use this thing. So you can just look at this one. This is 1005 by 1005 pixels. Okay, so that means when you want to design on your Canva, you know that customized size, you type in there that's 1005 by 1005. And this is when you are not printing out. When you want to print out, you should take note of the size of how you want your design to look like. So okay, you should take note of the size of how you want your design to look like. For example, let me just show you something. So this is my own, this is mine. I hope you can see it. So if you want something like this, that would mean that you should work towards this design, the size of this design. So your design should be portrait. That is, it should draw downward and not a square. You see, this is not a square. So you should take note of this if you want to print your design out. But when you are not printing out, then you just choose the size from here and you design from Canva. Hope that's okay. Good. So you can just download this. Just click on download, then you download with the premium. You click on the premium to download. So, and it should start downloading. So let me just check here. So sometimes it may do some rubbish, it won't download. Then you have to just download back. You click on download again. So don't be tired, just click on download again. Sometimes it do, sometimes, and let's check. I'm very sure it should download like this. I hope you get that. So, and also if you don't want that, you can come to technology and you can use desktop. Let's use desktop for us to just see how that is, it can fit. There's some design that it can fit in. That's 1280 by 1080. So it will fit in well. So these are designs that we can use. So we can just pick one. Let's say we want to pick this. Let's pick this. And this is your design, okay? You see it's visible very well. You click on upload form, then upload image, Then you click on your files. Then you go to where your image is under your download. This is it. So it has started that rubbish. Just close it and you click on it. But possibly yours may not do all these things. Possibly because my phone is almost full because of many designs I have on my phone. So click on it. I think you should do like this. So can you see this? So it fits in perfectly well. Just click on this pencil like thing and let's check. You see it fits in perfectly well. So that's because I designed with this, the 1920 by 1080. So let's just download. You click on the medium. So this tells you that you just have to know the size that you want to design. Before actually designing, you should know the size of what you want to design. So by coming here first, and there are some other sites that you can use to mock up your design, to brand your design, but we are just using these. Some are paid, like the free pick. So that's a paid one. Hope you get that. So I hope this is perfect. So I hope this video is beneficial. If so, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to like, to comment, and to share to your family and friends. And you can join my community, my premium community, by clicking on the blue join button over there. And don't forget, the next class is about printing, a very fantastic class, so which is all about printing. I will teach you how to print something like this, so how you also can print out your design, so something like this, so that you can print it out. You print it out like this. Okay, bye, see you later.